Okay, let us solve the integers chapter on exercise 1.1. The first question, I haven't written any questions here. I have solved the problems. They are very simple. The first question is, he has given temperatures on a number line. He has given temperatures of different places on a number line and have asked few questions about the same. So the first question is, Lahul Spiti is minus. He has asked to list the temperatures of different places. That is question A. So looking at the number line with the arrows pointing this place, name of the place, I have listed the temperatures against the name of the place. Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees centigrade or Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Shimla plus 5, Ooty 14 degrees and Bengaluru 22 degrees. Now the question B is the difference between hottest and coldest place. So with the list above, the coldest place is Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree and the hottest place is 22 degrees centigrade. So if I take the difference between that, difference is nothing but subtracting the smaller number from a bigger number. So that is minus 8 degrees, taking out from 22 degrees gives me 30 degrees centigrade. So this is the difference between, you can see even in the number line, from here to here you will have 22 divisions. So each division is 1 degree and that gives me 30 degree centigrade. Then the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Srinagar minus Lahul Spiti gives me minus 2, minus of minus 8 degree. So minus of minus becomes plus 8, minus 2 plus 8 is 6. See, what you have to note here is one of the integer is positive and the other one is negative. And when you have two integers of different sign, then you have to subtract them and the answer should have the sign of a bigger number. So the bigger number has positive, so 6 is in positive, it is 6 degree centigrade. So now the next statement, he says, can we say Srinagar and Shimla put together is less than Shimla, and also Srinagar plus Shimla is less than Srinagar. Okay, let's see that. Put the values. So that is, it becomes minus 2 plus of plus 5 is 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degrees centigrade is less than 5 degrees centigrade. The first statement is true, while the second statement, 3 degrees centigrade is not less than minus 2 degrees centigrade, because 3 degrees is Shimla and Srinagar put together, and this is minus 2 degrees Srinagar. Srinagar is, so the minus 2 degrees, so 3 degrees is not less than 2 degrees. This is about Srinagar. Next, the second question is about Jack. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So with all these scores, if I put them together, so Jack's total score is putting all of them together. So this gives me 25, plus of minus becomes minus, plus of minus becomes minus 10, and plus 5 plus 10. Now I will strike off plus 10 and minus 10 because they make 0. These two put together make 0. And further, and I calculate 25 minus 5 is 20, then add 15, that becomes 35. 35 is the Jack's score. And question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, here he has given you the difference value of temperature. Now Srinagar was minus 5 degrees on Monday, and then he says 2-degree drop in temperature. So that means minus 5 minus 2. So that gives me minus 7. So that will be minus 7 degree on Tuesday. The answer is minus 7 degrees on Tuesday. Then he says it rose by 4 degrees. That means minus 7 plus of 4. So it rises by 4 degrees centigrade. So that brings me minus 3 degrees centigrade. So on Wednesday it was minus 3 degree centigrade. Now the fourth question is, there is a diagram also with that. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, now you have to, for this question, you have to assume, or you have to take the sea level as 0 of your number line and put the number line vertical. The top gives you plane and this is submarine. Okay, so the plane is at 5000 meters above sea level and submarine is 1200 meters below sea level. Now the vertical distance between them is the distance from sea level to the plane plus the distance from sea level to the submarine. So this gives me 5000 minus of minus 1200, minus 1200 because I treat sea level as 0 and whatever is below that is a negative value and whatever is above that is the positive value. So 5000 is a positive value and 1200 gives me a negative value. When I put them together, I get 6200 meters. That is the distance between the plane and the submarine. Now the fifth question is about a banking question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? And also find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay. So if Mohan has deposited 2000 rupees and withdraws 1242 rupees. If the withdrawal is represented by a negative integer, then deposit is obviously represented by a positive integer because it is being added into his account. Now the balance will be his deposit minus his withdrawal. That gives me rupees 358 rupees. Now the sixth question.